Hey guys, hope you're all doing fine. As you all know, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin over the next few weeks, next few months. I think we're going to 40K. And in my opinion, the best way to outperform Bitcoin is to have part of your portfolio in very low caps that have truly the potential to 10x, 20x, so on and so forth, especially the new small caps of this new generation. So this is a new series where I'm just going to show you some coins that I have invested in that I think have a lot of potential, and then you can decide which one is good or not. So what if I told you there's a new AI coin that has already a working product that is so good that actually went on the biggest podcast in the world, or at least one of the biggest. It already has a customer base, and it's at a very good price right now. So it went on the Joe Rogan podcast about early February, and this was with Lex Friedman, so another famous guy, and both of these guys were very impressed with the product. And right now it's down 70% from its high. So this was when the podcast happened, and now you have the opportunity to have a very good price. Also, the structure is looking very good in my opinion. As you can see, falling wedge, and the target would be this. So you can at least double your money, in my opinion. It has a very low market cap, only 11 millions. And also, I'll show you how to not pay the buy and sell tax a bit afterwards in this recording. Full disclosure, this is not financial advice. If you lose money, basically it's your own fault. I do not care. If you make money, I do not care. Good for you. But I have invested in this one. So in my opinion, this can at least double. And if you prefer another type of chart, this could potentially look as a sort of accumulation in this range high, range low. And again, if we break this, in my opinion, as you can see, the target would be this. Again, so doubling your money. But truly, in my opinion, this is something I want to hold. Again, looking kind of like a double bottom. But if we go upwards again to this previous high, it's very nice profit, but I think it can go much higher. So it's probably something I'm going to hold for the next few weeks. Let's go on their website really quickly. So it's specialized in generating images, especially more kind of anime or not safe for work kind of images. So as you can see, there's also an incentive to hold this coin, holding at least 100K, blah, 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 to get access to unreleased beta models. This is not a lot. I mean, I don't really care about the project, but even I have more than this. Buy tax, sell tax, 3%. So this, helps with the project, but I'll show you a way not to pay this. And this is also a method I used when I was talking about Hamashi. At some point where they have, I think, 7% buy and sell tax, and you do not need to pay it. So I know the team is active. I've been quickly on the Discord, Telegram. They are active. So as you can see, kind of not safe for work pictures or kind of, anime, moshi, Virgin Squad kind of pictures. But that's fine. I mean, as long as they're generating money, then good for them. But yeah, again, very realistic picture. Nothing can be said about that. And then again, this kind of picture, which I think might have a client base with all these guys who want to do a fake OnlyFans and just post AI generated pictures. But yeah, although it looks pinkish and all of that, these guys seem kind of serious. Structure is looking good. Down 70%. So if you wanted to buy and thought, oh my god, this is such a great project, when it became famous, now you have the opportunity. And if you look at the 6 hour, we reclaim this. 8 hour, we reclaim this. 12 hour, reclaim this. Daily is looking pretty fine. And if you look into truly the lower time frames, every dump is being bought, so there's definitely demand. So anyways, if you want to buy this, the best place in terms of liquidity is on BitGet. The link is in the description. And also you do not pay the buy and sell fee when you buy it on BitGet. So that's an immense advantage just in terms of liquidity and for the fees. And also, if you want to use my link, I will truly appreciate that. And also, you get all the advantages that anyone else of these influencers has to offer. I talked to these guys, so you all have this 7K bonus package, blah, 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 blah. Basically, you have a ton of advantages to using my link. This is not a paid shill. All I'm saying is I have invested in this. It has potential. We'll see how it goes. But if you want to ride the new AI trend kind of stuff, I would do it there. Also, it's very low cap, so do not ape in with 10K USD or all of that stuff. Do it slowly. Look at the order book. Again, best place to do this would be on BitGet. Link is in the description for all the advantages. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll show you other really good altcoins in my opinion in a few days, a few weeks, if you think this one is not that great. So that's up to you to decide. I'll catch you in the next recording.